Hi, my name is Akshay. I'm a director at AeroWire Networks. We are very passionate about designing new networks which solve unique business problems. We have worked with the top pharma companies, top in hospitality companies. We have worked with major enterprises, MNC enterprises, and unicorn startups, each having a unique demand on the network. We've started working with Fortinet about 6 years back in 2014. Year on year, we have grown our security business along with Fortinet, and why we chose Fortinet as our primary security portfolio is that it is very simple to use. The main security challenges that CISOs are facing are, especially after the post-COVID era, the entire workforce has now become a remote workforce. So this poses a major challenge to the enterprises on how to give a secured corporate connectivity for users who are not in office. The end user is accessing the corporate infrastructure from varied networks. It could be a public network, or it could be a home network, or it could be a corporate network. But how do you provide the same seamless authentication or same seamless access to the corporate network? So all our customers who already had a Fortinet install base, it was a very simple solution to enable all these customers to go with complete remote workforce is by enabling the VPN features on the firewalls, so which comes as a feature from day one with no additional license. I would like to highlight the very recent SD-WAN that we did very successfully along with Fortinet. Customer is a very leading brand in sports retail, and they were facing major challenges with their last mile connectivity. When we met with the customer, so this was his main ask as to how do I solve the last mile WAN challenge at a very optimum costing. And SD-WAN feature on Fortinet being Gartner certified made it all the way very convincing to go for as a solution. We deployed around 100 plus stores in India with the Fortinet SD-WAN solution very successfully, and it was a matter of a few days after which the entire customers outlets in India are all now being powered through Fortinet's SD-WAN. Along with just being a leading security brand, its products are extremely user friendly. So we as an end user also like using the products ourselves. So that has been one of the major driving force for us to recommend our customers to use Fortinet products.